next question. Okay. As a writer, what do you think are untold stories or themes in Philippine literature that you think should be explored more today?
For romance specifically, ano ang untold stories, kulang. Acknowledging what Sir Egay said, somebody is writing this for sure, but maybe not enough are being published and entering the marketplace in this way. So, diversity of characters, social class, body types, more locations, more languages, more religions, more time periods, more of the same. So we don't need to change the romance tropes or the happily ever after. What we need to change is who and where the stories are said and who the stories are about. All of those iterations. So we are looking at a huge romance fiction and romance media landscape that is a lot, but also a lot of the same in terms of, again, conventionally attractive people living in Manila and of a certain social class, writing in two very prominent languages. All of it has to change. So yes, queer relationships, disability, all of that. There's so many untold stories. Just in romance, but I can imagine in other genres as well, young adult, children's lit, in crime fiction, everything.
Yeah, ang dami pang mga possibilities. Yeah, all the combinations. Yeah.